Hi, Adam here from Lifestyle and Mobility, and in front of me today we have two Kymco Midis. These are a personal favorite of mine, and the reason why is they hit every mark. They're ridiculously reliable, compact, affordable. They're an 8-mile-an-hour scooter that can go anywhere, pretty much do anything. They've got high torque, and also look at the design. They're cool little Vespers, and because they're nice and compact as well, with a clearance of about 6.5 inches in any standard door, they can go anywhere. You can drive them straight up into your home, run around the shops. I wanted you to come and take a closer look, so come with me and let's look at these features. For most of our customers, the reassurance of getting from A to B comfortably and reliably is of most importance, and the Kymco features show you why they're the best at doing this. Let's come and take a closer look right here. At the manufacturer quality, you can see that they really are a company that does build motorcycles. Just look at the handrail here with the steering. It's the same material that you would see in a top-end vehicle. Same goes here with the wind mirrors, this beautiful rubber sealant up here. It's really good. If you're looking at the dash too, everything's water resistant. It's simple, it's color coded. You know exactly what you're doing. Again, when driving, two options here with a semi-delta hand grip, and this bar all on the front just makes it so sturdy and comfortable to drive. If we look down here at the tires, these actually come out of the manufacturers. You can choose pneumatics or solids just for comfortability. And talking about comfortability, as I said, the suspension here is great, and it's actually fully adjustable. So if you're wanting a softer ride or a harder ride, this can be customized the same way you can do in a motorcycle. Again, those little things just make this such a superior product. Again, nice accents here with the red stitching. The tiller, easily adjustable forward and back. This can actually go nice and flat all the way down. You can take this off and you can roll this into a vehicle really nicely if you had a ramp. Also going into your home, it means it can be compactable too. And as I said before, with a 6-inch clearance, or just under 7 inches actually, you can go through most doors. A really, really unique feature with this product. Again, torque is sensational. You can hit a 15-degree incline really comfortably. I've personally done that before, and that's why the Midi is, for me, one of the best scooters out there. Just quickly touching on the design, as you can see, you've got this beautiful metallic paint that really stands out well. A lot of scooters don't make the effort to do that, and this is something that's nice, a nice feature. Plus, of course, with the Vespa look, as you can see, it deflects the wind. It's really aerodynamically designed, which makes sure you're not going to get those chilly legs and feel that wind as you're driving. Again, something really cool with these great LED lights is they're adjustable, so you can put it wherever you want. Something that's usually you have it in your car or you have it in a motorbike, but not usually something you see on a scooter. Again, just going back to the roots, these know how to manufacture vehicles well. So if you're after a comfortable, compact 8-mile-an-hour scooter that has been built by a reputable motorcycle manufacturer that has that extra reliability, this is the product for you. Not only with its sleek design and 25-mile range, it also has so many other features. You won't be disappointed. You know where to find us, and it's on the number below here. It is 01702417088, and of course our website is www.lifestyleandmobility.co.uk. Full home assessments, or of course call up our store and we'll be able to make sure that we meet your needs. Have a lovely day.